See children, so have you read the lesson? So very good. Who didn't complete? Once again read the lesson. Minimum 2 to 3 times you should read. Little bit big lesson na? That's why all of you must read the lesson. Okay. Today we can do the grammar part in the textbook. So what do we have? Vocabulary part first we have. All of you know this one. So see the first one. Already we have completed while learning the lesson. But once again we can see. Okay ma? So now see this one. First one, what do we have? Outlast. Outlast. Outlast means what? Who never follows law? Na? Yes. A person who has broken the law. A person who has broken the law. That means that not following any law, rules and regulations. Robbing. Robbing means taking property from someone by force. Robbing means taking property from someone by force. With the force if we take from someone, that we call it robbing. Bows. Bows means a weapon for shooting arrows. Arrows, to shoot it we need bow. So that we call it bow. And next one, lances. Lances means a long weapon with a wooden shaft. A long weapon with a wooden shaft. A long weapon with a wooden shaft. And deed. Deeds means actions. Deed means action. Gaily. Gaily means in a cheerful way. Very happily. The young man went in scarlet with very happily. So, tripped. Tripped means catch one's foot on something. Catch one's foot on something. So, very happily going on like this. And groaned. Groaned means murmuring. To talk to ourselves very slowly. Scolding ourselves or expressing our feeling very slowly. That we call it groaned. And harper. Harper is musician. We call harper means musician. And who plays a harp. And feeble. Feeble means lacking physical strength. Who has no physical strength much, that person we call it a feeble person. He is a feeble person. Okay children, understood this? So these are the vocabulary part. Read, learn these vocabulary meanings also thoroughly. Okay ma? So let's do the grammatical structure. See children, so grammatical structure we have modal verbs. What do we have Nana? Modal verbs. What are these modal verbs? Modal verbs. Modal verbs are called helping verbs. These are also called helping verbs. Nana. Helping verbs. So many helping verbs. That is the total main verbs, helping verbs we have. In the helping verbs we have auxiliary, helping verbs are also called auxiliary verbs. Helping verbs are also called auxiliary verbs. Nana. Auxiliary verbs. So these auxiliary verbs are helping verbs. Again divided into two types. Modal auxiliaries and primary auxiliaries. Modal verbs and primary verbs. Okay. So what are these modal verbs? Modal verbs means actually these don't have any particular meaning, but these we use along with the verbs. With some other verbs we use it. I will do, I will come, you may go now. Okay, may, will, can, these. So we don't have any particular verb, but these shows the ability or obligation and possibility. For that purpose we use these modal auxiliaries. Okay, modal verbs. What are these modal verbs? So that we can say will, would, shall, should, can, could, may, must, dare, and need, and one more verb is ought. So these we call it modal verbs. Modal auxiliaries are modal verbs. Modal auxiliaries are modal verbs. Okay ma, what are those? Modal auxiliaries or modal verbs means they are also helping verbs, a part in helping verbs. So these modal verbs are will, would, shall, should, can, could, may, must, dare, need, ought. So all these words are called modal verbs. Modal auxiliaries are modal verbs. What do we call them? Modal verbs. Okay. So shall we do some exercise on this? How can we use it? Suppose one example if we do it. So I will come tomorrow. I will come tomorrow. So here will I used. Will I used. I will come. I will tell. I'll meet you. Right. So like that. You may go now. You may go now. So here what is the modal auxiliary? Modal verb may. Okay now. So you can come in now. You can come in. So can is the modal auxiliary. May is the modal auxiliary. So like this we should write. In the sentences we get it. We don't get particular meaning for that, but these we use along with the verbs. We use along with the verbs, and these give ability, possession, ability, possibility, obligations. This we can say. I can do this work. I can do this work. So here can is giving the ability of this, possibility of this. Okay, ma. So I can do this work. Possibility of that work or ability of person we can say in this. What is the modal verb here? Can. Okay, Nana. So like this we should use. So we should do some examples, then you get more clarity about it. Okay, ma. So let's start the examples. See the example, children. So what do we have? Tick the correct modal verb in each sentence. So tick. So we should hear options they have given in the brackets. Which one is the suitable for this sentence? Modal verbs. Modal verbs I told you na. Will, would, shall, should, can, could, may, might, must, dare, need, ought. Right, Nana? So that we should write it. So see the first one. Dash. I came in. I come in. May I come in or will I come in? What do you ask whenever you are coming to the class? May I come in, ma'am? Right? So then what we should choose? May. So tick this one. Tick this one. May I come in? Okay, ma'am. See the next one. Sarah can, could, should be a good girl when she wants to. So whenever she wants to be a good girl. So Sarah can be a good girl. Sarah can be a good girl when she wants to. Very good. Next one. Do you think she dash? Do you think she can, might, will marry you? Do you think she can marry you? She might marry you. She will marry you. What do we get? Do you think she will marry you? Do you think she will marry you? So what do you think about it? Question it is. Next one. I am weak. I am weak, but I can walk, or I might walk, or I should walk. I am weak, but I can walk. Okay, Nana? But I can walk. You know this, all this. Sentence if you read, very easily you can tell. You, what do we have? Must, can, could. You must, can, could. What do we have? Wear your seat belt while driving the car. So what is this? While driving the car, what we should do? You must wear your seat belt. You must wear seat belt, or you can wear your seat belt. You could wear your seat belt. But compulsory means you must wear your seat belt. So then this one. You must wear your seat belt while driving the car. Next one, Nana. You must, or you may, or you might respect your elders. What we should do? You must respect your elders. You may respect your elders. Maybe, may not be. No. So you must respect. So you must respect your elders. Okay, ma. Next one. John runs very fast. John runs very fast. He dash, he what we get? Must or will or might definitely win the race. So if we run very fast, definitely we will win the race. So he will win the race. He will definitely win the race. Okay, Nana? Next one. Do not play in the rain. Do not play in the rain. Why? You may fall ill, you will fall ill, you should fall ill. What we can write? If we become wet in the rain, definitely we get some flu, na? So that's why you will fall in the rain. You will fall ill. Do not play in the rain. You will fall ill. That's why do not play. Okay, children. So these are the words. Once again, I am telling, see, may I come in? May I come in? Sarah can be a good girl when she wants to. Sarah can be a good girl when she wants to. So here can, could, should they have given. So she can change. That's why she can. Sarah can. Do you think she dash marry you? So you are expecting, na? That's why we should write it. Will marry you. So can, might, will is there. We should write will marry you. And I am weak, but I am weak, but I walk. What? I can walk or I might walk. I should walk means yes, I am able to walk. That's why I can walk. I manage. I can manage. So you wear seat belt while driving the car. So it's a compulsory. That's why we should write you must wear your seat belt. You must wear your seat belt while driving the car. Okay, Nana? Now see the next one. You must, may, might respect your elders. This is also compulsory. Na? We must respect our elders. We must respect our parents. Okay, so that's why must. And John runs very fast. If we run very fast, we may fall down. So, but here it may be happen. But here what is that? He must or will or might definitely win the race. So, in the race means if we run very fast, definitely we will win. So, that's why he will win the race. He will definitely win the race. And do not play in the rain. Don't play in the rain. Why? You may fall ill or you will fall ill, you should fall ill. Generally it happens, that's why you will fall ill, it happens. You may also, okay, we can write, but here you will fall ill. Okay, Nana? Understood all of you? So write these answers. All the answers write in your book, tick like this. Okay, ma? Do it. See children, so the next topic we have conversational skills. You know all of you, conversation. Talk to the others. So here we have, what is this? Read the following conversation and enact it with your partner in the class. Enact it with your partner. That means in the class, any one of the members you can take, 2 members you can get up, you can do this one. Okay, ma? So now see this one, what is this? Here Ritu and Hina, 2 characters. First I will explain this. And by practicing this, both any of 2 members you can practice. You can enact it in the class next. Okay, ma? See this first, Ritu and Hina conversation. So what is Ritu telling? Did you borrow any book from school library last week? So did you borrow any book? No, all of you must take it. So Hina, oh yes, I took a collection of stories. Yes, I have taken. Collection of stories is there, that I liked it, that's why I have taken it. Ritu said, do you like the stories? Did you like the stories? Did you like it? Yes, well, I liked them, but the story I liked the most was about King Midas. King Midas. So, the most I liked about King Midas, that story. So, can you narrate me that story? Can you please tell me that story? King Midas was very greedy. He wanted everything that he touched to turn into gold. Yes, you know this one, he got this one. King Midas. What is this? Yes, he was very greedy. That's why he wanted that whatever he touches should become gold only. So, God granted his wish also. He wished the God, he requested the God by praying. Yes, I want whatever I touch should become gold. Yes, God also gave the, accepted that wish. And later what happened? So his food, clothes and even his daughter also turned into gold. So see, can we become greedy like that? We also become gold and the other people also will become gold. What can we do with that? Yes. So then, oh, what a pity. It shows that gold punished him for his greediness. Sorry, it showed him, God punished him for his greediness like this by making all the things gold, whatever he expected. Yes, God gave him. But what happened? Nothing but punishment to him. Because whatever he touches, without eating, how many days we can be? Yes. So Hina said, yes, you are right. We should never be greedy. Yes, you are right. We can earn, but it can be very greedy. No. But with that greedy, everything he expected, but he could not. Okay, children. So this is the conversation we have. Read this one, and in the next class, you can act it in the class. Okay, children. Will you practice it? Do it. See, children. So the next one we have, let's listen. So after the conversation, this is also a kind of conversation. Let's listen. Let's listen. What do we have? Listen to the conversation between Mani and Mita. Between Mani and Mita. Mani is telling Mita how to narrate a story. Mani is telling Mita how to narrate a story. So the conversation between Mita and Mani. How to narrate a story. How to tell a story to others. That here Mani is telling. Okay, ma. So what is that? Mita, you have to tell us a story today. So Mani said, you have to tell us a story today. So then, me, a story. Oh no, I cannot tell a story. I don't remember one at all. Oh no, I couldn't remember at least a story. So I can't tell, that she said. So then Mani said, don't worry, it's quite simple, and shall I teach you? So Mani said, don't worry, it's very simple, very easy. I'll teach you how to tell. You mean you really could teach me? Really want to teach me how to tell a story? Yes, that's Meena said, why? Sure, why not? But remember, you must be a good actor first. Yes, story to tell means should act like that, na? So that's why you should be a good actor first. That she said. Then, okay, what does acting have to do with storytelling? What is the acting? By storytelling means not necessary to act it, but what is the acting we should do? That Mita asked. Then Mani said, you must try to enact what a person in the story says. So, you must try to act. In the stories we get some characters, na? Who is telling that the actions we should do. Then, very helpful to everyone. Then, you must speak the sentences well, and you must not look at the crowd while narrating the story. Yes, you must speak the sentences well. So, all the sentences you must speak it very well. At the same time, you must not look at the people who are going around you while narrating the story. While telling the story, you should concentrate on the children who are listening to you, to whom you are telling. That's it. Other people you cannot see. That he said. Okay, ma? So then what happened? After listening to it, mark these sentences as true or false. What do we have? After listening to it. So the conversation we have now. After listening this, mark these statements as true or false we have. What are those? So see the first one, what do we have? First one, Mani feels that what do we have, Nana? Mita cannot narrate a story. You heard the conversation. So now tell me answer for this, true or false. Mani feels that Mita cannot narrate a story. Mita cannot narrate the story. She can. But Mani felt like that? No. So that's why this is false. So false you can write it, or F you can keep. Okay, ma. Next one. What do we have? Second one. Mani is explaining how to tell a story. Mani is explaining how to tell a story. How to tell a story, Mani is explaining or not? Yes. So then we should write true it is. True. Okay, ma. And see the next one. Mani feels storytelling is an art. Mani feels storytelling is an art. that can be learnt. Is an art that can be learnt. Right, ma? So, yes, isn't it art? We should act like the character. We should learn that one. Na? This is also true. That she said already. Okay. See the next one. The narrator of the story. The narrator of the story must be a good actor, isn't it? Good actor, right? She said, na, the narrator of the story must become a good actor. Good actions we should do, right? Then it is also true. So in the conversation they give, na, that's why this is also true. Next one, what do we have? Never look at the crowd. Never look at the crowd. Never look at the crowd or you will forget the story. Or you will forget the story. Isn't it? If we look at others means we forget the story or not? Yes, that's why should not look at others. Is it true or not? Yes, true. This is also true. Okay, Nana? So, Mani feels that Meeta cannot narrate a story. So, she felt, no, that's why false. Mani is explaining how to tell a story. Yes, she explained to Meeta, na? Yes, Mani feels storytelling is an art that can be learned. We should learn that one how to do properly. Yes, that is also true. And the narrator of the story must be a good character. Yes, good actor, sorry. The narrator of the story must be a good actor. Alright? So, any story we are doing means we should act like that main person, main character. So, that is also true. Never look at the crowd or you will forget the story. Yes, don't look at the crowd, others who are going on. Why? You may deviate, you forget the story. You deviate from that. That's why never look at. That is also true. Okay, Nana? Write those answers all of you in your book. Write that one and then we can do the textbook grammar.